Hi K2. Okay, so for day 7 on your packet, we will be talking about properties of addition. And I know that sounds kind of hard, but it's something you guys have been doing. So when you can add numbers in any direction and still get the same answer. So the answer is going to be called the sum, and the sum will be the same. So why don't we try it? So let's look at example 1. I see it says 5 plus 2 equals 7, and that shows that down here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 red squares and 2 more. So let's count from 5, 6, 7. And so that shows 5 plus 2 equals 7. But did you know that if we switch these numbers around, we can still get the same answer, the same sum? Let's look. So now we have 2 yellows in the front, and we just swapped it with the 5. So 2 plus 5, let's see how many that is, just to test it out. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 equals 7, and 2 plus 5 also equals 7. That's pretty cool. So I can draw a number 7. Let's see if I can draw it. There you go. Okay, so number 7. And this also works when you have even more numbers. So the order does not matter. Let me put a number 7 here. So the numbers being added are the same, and the order does not matter. Let's look at a harder one. So you can add 3 numbers, and it doesn't matter what order they're in. You will still get the same answer. So let's try this. I have 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals, I don't know what number. So let's find out. So the way I do it is I add 2 numbers at a time first. So let's add 2 plus 3. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put a 5 here. Okay. So now I need to add 5 plus 4 more. So let's count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my answer is 9. And like I said before, we can try different ways. So our first way was 2 plus 3, and that's what I did, equals 5. And the third way, the third number I brought down, I did 5 plus 4 equals 9. Now let's see another way. Let's just see if I get the same thing. So this way they said 3 plus 4 equals 7. So they added the last 2 numbers first, and then the number 2. And guess what? They still got a number 9. So I'm going to give it a little happy face. So when the numbers are grouped in different ways, the sum, which is the answer, of all 3 numbers is still the same. I think you guys are all intelligent, and I want to challenge you guys to adding 3 numbers. All right, so I hope that you guys found this helpful and that you guys can do it based off of this video.